All right, look. See, it started here. And I paused it there. It is now, but I paused it a minute ago. So look, I'm gonna pause this one. All right, I'm gonna pause it.
Circle, whatever that. There you go.
There we go. Okay, haha. Got to start the machine.
That's right.
I forgot what to
This is
say.
test 3.
This is the Lego sink or float. This is number 2.
This is 3, baby. Isn't it?
No, it's number 2.
Oh, is it 2? Okay.
He's got his hands on the steering wheels and everything, like a real boat. That's pretty cool.
It floats. That's awesome.
This is number 3.
I don't think this is. Yep.
I didn't have that much trust in it.
Yep. It capsized immediately. And it's going down. Oh, but it floats. Oh, look at that. The boat itself floats. It just doesn't stand up. All right. Let's do the next one. Okay.
This is number 4. This one is from Look, this is number 4. This one is from Shipwreck Shore.
Oh, yeah?
Shipwreck Shore.
I don't think it's gonna. I don't think
Let's
it's
see.
gonna float.
I don't know. The hole? Well, let's see. Well, it does float, but because of the heavy weight on the one side, it capsizes.
Yeah.
Yep.
And because of the hole.
But you know, if you took out all the towers on top, it would float. Okay, let's modify.
Mommy,
Yeah.
All right.
What kind of a test?
Oh, you're good. All right.
this is number 5.
5, yes.
Oh, and I'm sorry to forget, but we're at the public pool.
Yes. We're at the community pool.
Okay, let's see if it floats. 8.
Well, it kind of sort of floats, but it's taken in water. So if Legos, nope, it capsized.
Yeah.
All right. All right.
Okay, this is number 6. Yep.
Yep, the tall tower. Yep, the tall tower makes it capsize.
I'll go grab it before it gets hot. Yeah. Let's get it hot. It does not float.
No, it does not float.
Oh, let's get to a down. I don't know where they come from. Oh, they come from way over there.
Oh, yeah, they got spin rings.
I'll check these.
All
This is number 7.
right.
It's a car.
Yeah, kind of.
It's a car. It's a spaceship, dude. It's a spaceship. How can you make a spaceship if spaceship doesn't have any wheels? How did you make spaceship that has wheels? You can take off like a plane does. Take off.
All right.
You want to go jump?
Okay.
All right.
This is the last
Samantha, you
one.
want to
This
go
is
get
number
the
8.
See if it's good.
Well, almost. Kinda.
Kinda. It doesn't really float. Red towards it. Storm.
Yeah, it doesn't work with a storm.
I mean, it floats upside down.
I think 1 and 2 were your best options, Joshua.